Hello and good evening to one and all present here on this virtual platform on the talk of leadership by Mr. Bhavin Shah in event of Smart India Hackathon 2020. I'm very much thankful to Mr. Bhavin Shah for spending his valuable time with us. That is on today, Sunday, right? I think so. There is no need of the introduction for such a renowned personality, but still, I want to say some few words about him. Mr. Bhavin Shah was recently awarded as Best Corporate Motivational Trainer by Chief Minister of Gujarat, Sri Vijayabhai Rupani. He is the author of award-winning book titled Achieve What You Want. Mr. Bhavin Shah is the founder and chief mentor of I Am Possible Training Solutions. He is recognized as India's youngest, most successful CEO in training industry. He is gold medalist in MBA marketing. So now, without wasting much more time of audience, let's look forward to our today's session by Mr. Bhavin Shah on the topic Lead with Legacy. Now, I would like to hand over the great audience to Mr. Bhavin Shah. Sir, please.
Yeah, thank you so much, Sonalji, for the wonderful introduction. And thank you so much, all the viewers who is seeing me. Thank you so much once again for the Parud University for the wonderful opportunity and for the wonderful initiative called Smart India Hackathon 2020. And आज का topic बहुत amazing है called Lead with Legacy, right? It's a very favorite topic of mine because 13 साल से इस इंडस्ट्री में जस्ट जनवरी को 13 years कंप्लीट होंगे. So it's more than 12.5 years and talking about leadership, interacting with the many students, interacting with the IITs and lots of different universities and corporates. So कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत फेवरेट टॉपिक है आज लीड विथ लेगेसी. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कांग्रेचुलेशंस टू ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट जिन्होंने इस बहुत अमेजिंग इवेंट में पार्टिसिपेट किया है. एंड let's start today's topic. And before we start today's topic, let me go with first thing that is called disclaimer about today's program. Now, आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन सेशंस अटेंड किए हुए हैं, बहुत सारे आप लोगों ने वेबिनार्स भी अटेंड किए होंगे. I have few conditions for you if you want to enjoy today's program. First and the most important thing is इस जो प्रोग्राम है हमारा, उस प्रोग्राम को आप एक स्माइल के साथ देखिए. That is very important. Second and the most important thing is please make sure that your body language matters a lot when you attend any such program. So please make sure that हम लोग बोलते हैं good posture, तो आप good posture में बैठिएगा. That is a very great support to yourself कहीं ना कहीं, जिससे आप आज के प्रोग्राम में मैं आपके साथ 1 घंटा बात करने वाला हूँ. बहुत सारी चीजें कहीं ना कहीं आप यहाँ से ग्रास्प करके जाओगे if you attend today's program with a very good posture and interaction. Third and the most important thing is interaction करते रहिएगा, बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं आपके कमेंट्स जो होंगे मुझे समझ में आएंगे कि आप मुझे समझ पा रहे हो, सुन पा रहे हो, है ना. सो आई विश दैट दिस सेशन शुड बी अ 2-sided सेशन जहां पे मैं बोलूं और आपके साथ इंटरेक्ट करूं. हम जब लोग फिजिकल प्रोग्राम करते हैं तो हमारी कंडीशन ये भी होती है कि अपना मोबाइल ऑफ करिएगा और साइलेंट मोड पे रखिएगा. बट यहाँ पे ये मैं नहीं बोल सकता, बिकॉज अगर आपने मोबाइल में से सेशन अटेंड कर रहे हो, अगर स्विच ऑफ करोगे तो आप मुझे देख नहीं पाओगे. तो जस्ट जोक अ पार्ट, कीप स्माइलिंग एंड टू अटेंड टुडेज प्रोग्राम विद अ फुल ऑफ एंथुसियाज्म एंड एनर्जी, बिकॉज आज के प्रोग्राम में आपको बहुत सारा मजा आने वाला है. So let me give you a little bit more intro about myself. So basically, I'm a CEO and founder of a company called I Am Possible Training Solutions, and currently we are working with 80 plus countries with 450 plus premium corporate clients. 5 लाख से ज़्यादा लोगों को ट्रेन किया है. दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन सी आवर क्लाइंट लिस्ट. बेसिकली Oracle, TCS, Tech Mahindra, L&T, BPO, ONGC, Blue Star, Linde, Google, Microsoft, HP, HCL, Flipkart, Amazon, Wipro, Infosys, RBI, Reliance, Jio, 5G के साथ हम काम कर रहे हैं. There are lots of successful collaboration we had in last 12.5 years, and this is what recently got award from Sri Vijayabhai Rupani as Gujarat's one of the best corporate motivational trainer. And once again I am author of book called Achieve What You Want. Amazon's one of the best selling book, and lots of proud moment that we are having with Gyan Vatsal Swami, ex-mayor of Vadodara, Saujji Bhai Dholakia, Diamond King. So आज जो मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, आज मैं जो आप लोगों को बताने वाला हूं वो बहुत 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 यूनिक रहेगा, बहुत अमेजिंग रहेगा. उसका रीजन ये है दोस्तों कि मैं आज कोई भी आपको थियोरेटिकल बातें नहीं बताने वाला. Today I am going to give you one of the best and practical techniques and tools you can say, कि जिसके थ्रू आप अपनी जिंदगी में आप काफी अच्छे से ग्रो कर पाएंगे. Lots of outer media coverage and all. Okay, so ये कौन है? If you can give me the answer that who is he? फोटो देख के क्या समझ में आ रहा है? Because I don't do the boring lectures and I wish कि आप लोग comment करें. मैं YouTube के यहाँ पे comments देख पाऊंगा. If somebody like if you are alive on the session, अगर आप session के साथ connected हो, so I would request that at least give a reply or comment that क्या कौन लगता है आपको, ये क्या है, कौन है ये, क्या समझ में आ पा रहा है, कोई कैरेक्टर आपको दिख रहा है इस पूरे पिक्चर में? Can you see some character? Yes, I am online on YouTube. So you can give me a comment. I can see from here. I'll make sure that I'll restart again, so I can see the live updates. Come on, everyone. I wish that you give me a reply. Yes. So मैंने YouTube streaming को फिर से ऑन किया है ना, so you can I can have the live interaction with you guys. Okay, yes, now okay. अब मैं आपको देख पा रहा हूँ, अब मैं आपके कमेंट्स पढ़ पा रहा हूँ. Earlier I was not able to see your comments, but now yes I can see your comments. तो काफी सारे लोगों ने आंसर दिया है. कुंभकर्ण. Yes, you are exactly right. और अब मुझे बताओ कि लीडरशिप में कुंभकर्ण कहाँ से आ गए? Like how this Kumbhkarna came here in leadership? How does it happen? So let me give you idea कि लीडरशिप में इनसे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल हो ही नहीं सकता. उसका रीजन ये किया है कि हम सबके पास बहुत बढ़िया पोटेंशियल होता है. मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को, टैलेंटेड लोगों को देखा हुआ है जो कहीं ना कहीं इतने टैलेंटेड है, इतने नॉलेजेबल है, उनके पास इतना अच्छा पावर है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रास्पिंग पावर मान लीजिए, इन टर्म्स ऑफ लर्निंग मान लीजिए, बट समहाउ वो अपनी पूरी जिंदगी स्ट्रगल करते हैं. और ये चीज मेरे साथ आप एग्री जरूर से करोगे कि ये चीज लोग पूरी जिंदगी स्ट्रगल करते हैं. उसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन दोस्तों ये होता है पूरी जिंदगी स्ट्रगल करने का, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं वो कंफर्ट जोन में होते हैं. कौन से जोन में होते हैं? कंफर्ट जोन में. आप बोलोगे कंफर्ट जोन किसे कहते हैं? कंफर्ट जोन उसे कहते हैं कि आपको पता है कि आज सुबह मुझे जल्दी उठना था, फिर भी आप नहीं उठे. दैट इज कॉल्ड कंफर्ट जोन. आपको पता है कि इतने बजे प्रोग्राम में आपको आना था, आप अगर लेट ज्वाइन हो रहे हो, पहले ज्वाइन हो सकते थे फिर भी लेट ज्वाइन हो रहे हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर कंफर्ट जोन. दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉट रिस्पेक्टिंग टाइम. बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड लोगों को मैंने ऐसे जाते हुए देखा है. इतने सालों में 5 लाख से लोगों को ट्रेन किया हुआ है. बहुत लोगों की चढ़ाई देखी हुई है, बहुत लोगों को बिखरते हुए देखा है, बहुत लोगों को निखरते हुए देखा है. सो कहीं ना कहीं मैं समझता हूं कि बहुत सारे, ये लॉकडाउन में भी जब पूरा लॉकडाउन था तो कोई इंसान बिखर गया और कोई इंसान निखर गया. मुझे 2 तरीके के लोग मिले. फिजिकली लॉकडाउन था, परफेक्टली फाइन, पर जो इंसान का मेंटल लॉकडाउन था वो इंसान कभी भी जिंदगी में आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएगा. कितने लोग इस बात से एग्री करते हैं? कम ऑन एवरीवन, इफ यू आर एग्रीइंग देन यू जस्ट स्टार्ट गिविंग मी आंसर. मैं बहुत इंटरेक्शन करूंगा. आई सेड यू अर्लियर दैट ये जो प्रोग्राम है वो वन साइडेड बिल्कुल भी नहीं रहने वाला है. सो यू मेक श्योर दैट यू गिव मी योर आंसर. ये जो लॉकडाउन है, बहुत सारे लोगों को आपने देखा है जो फिजिकली लॉकडाउन थे, दैट इज परफेक्टली फाइन, बट बहुत सारे लोगों को आपने ऐसा देखा होगा जो मेंटली लॉकडाउन थे. उन्होंने ये 3 महीना कुछ भी नहीं किया, जस्ट कंफर्ट जोन में बिताया, जस्ट कुछ भी नया नहीं किया. आप सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट में काम कर सकते थे, अपनी इंग्लिश को बेटर कर सकते थे, आप अपनी पर्सनालिटी को बेटर करने के लिए काम कर सकते थे, खुद की कॉन्फिडेंस के ऊपर काम कर सकते थे, कुछ नई स्किल सीख सकते थे. आप सब भी मेरे बात से जरूर से एग्री करेंगे कि कहीं ना कहीं ये जो चीज है, काफी लोगों के रिप्लाई आ रहे हैं. यस. दिलीप जी ने रिप्लाई दिया है, सोनल जी रिप्लाई दे रहे हैं, खुशी जी रिप्लाई दे रहे हैं. बहुत बढ़िया. सर आई डोंट हिंदी, रिक्वेस्ट टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश, इट्स यूज फॉर ऑल. डेफिनेटली Yamuna ji, I am trying my best to mix up Hindi and English because there are lots of more people also who cannot understand even English also. So I'll make sure that I'll mix both the languages, Hindi and English. There are lots of people, they have not at all done anything in the lockdown, and that is why I always believe and I always say this thing: leadership is a decision, it's not a position. Leadership is a decision, it's not a choice. Leadership is a decision, it's not a force. Leadership is a decision, it's not a pressure. It is very important to understand that as a human being, it is very important to understand that it is always about how you can lead your life with a decision, right? Now let me give you one idea, this 3D technique. I always follow this 3D technique in my life, and I ask lots of students, to try this idea that is called 3D technique called disconnect, detect, and discover. What do you mean by disconnect, detect, and discover? Disconnect means if you seriously want to grow in your life, if you seriously want to, be the best version of yourself, if you seriously want to grow like anything, you have to disconnect yourself with the negative people. You have to disconnect yourself with the negative thought process people. You need to disconnect yourself with the comfort zone. You need to disconnect with yourself with the anger. You need to disconnect yourself with the emotions, poor emotions. You need to disconnect yourself with the laziness. You need to disconnect yourself with the wrong schedule. You need to disconnect yourself with the wrong system. You need to disconnect with the lots of things if you seriously want to grow as a good leader in your life. Detect. You need to detect in your life what is a good thing that you are having, what is a bad thing, or the scope of improvement you are having. Detect means you have to detect what you want to learn, what you know need to learn. In exam also, I many times I always say that in examination also, it is what you know need to read is much more important than what you need to read. In our life also, it is very much important to detect that what is the basic scope of improvement you have to have in your life if you really want to grow in your particular profile, whatever profile you are having. And the third and the most important thing is discover. When you disconnect yourself from the negative people, when you disconnect yourself from the a poor thinking thought process people, when you disconnect yourself with the negative schedule, when you disconnect yourself with the bad habits, then you start detecting your strength and weakness. And when you start detecting your strength and weakness, third and the most important thing, you discover yourself. You discover yourself, you really get to understand, okay, this is actually me. I always believe in one concept called alter ego personality. Everybody has the three personality. One, the personality which currently you are having. Second, a personality that other people perceiving you that is your personality. And the third personality that nobody knows apart from you, that still that personality is in you. Whenever you feel so, you try to come up with that personality. There is a hidden secret person that's called alter ego personality. You need to discover yourself. That is for 100% sure that how you are going to make your life like anything. Now let me ask a very important question, everybody who is listening me right now. What is your goal in your life? See, this is not such kind of program when I am just asking you about your goal. I have lots of things to convey with you with this particular topic called discovering. Leadership is a decision, it's not a pressure. Leadership is it's a own choice, not others' choice. If you seriously want to lead your life, you can really lead your life, right? So please tell me, whatever answer you are having, I am comfortable with it. You can just give me a one liner or one word or anything, right? 3D technique: disconnect, detect, and discover. That is the most important thing that you need to understand that. Now, next and most important thing, you seriously want to lead your life, then honor your words. Whatever you are saying, that becomes your identity. आप जो भी बोलते हो वो आपकी आइडेंटिटी बन जाती है. How many people are agreeing on this? How many people are agreeing on this? Okay, yes, you are true. Whatever you speak, whatever words you are using, that becomes your identity. How many people are agreeing on the same? Do you believe the same, everybody? Do you believe the same? That what are the words you use, that becomes your personality, right? So first of all, if you cannot honor your words, that means, sorry, you don't respect yourself. And the person or the individual who cannot respect themselves, how you can respect others? As simple as that. See, I have lots of things to share on leadership. Let me talk about one incident. I met with one guy on, during my college trip in Rajasthan, Bits Pilani and all. I visit lots of colleges, so I'll give you the, one experience of mine. In Rajasthan, there's a college called NIT, right? You might have heard no? NIT Jaipur. I visited that NIT, and what happened there? During NIT visit, I have seen three students specifically. The one student, he was having around, age, he was in 10th standard, specifically 16, 15 years of age. Second one was, 11th standard. Third one, he was in 12th standard. And I have asked that three guy, why you came here? You know what they have said? They have said to me that we are here, sir, for one and very important thing that is called presenting our idea. The Startup Fest was going on at that time, and they were there to present their idea. So that idea was very amazing. I'll just give you, the brief about how their idea was and how it is actually, how it can be, great for all of us. When I met them on NIT, what happened? I have asked very great, you can say, the common great question that might be everybody is asking them. I have asked them one very simple question, that is, do you don't think so you are wasting your young age? You don't think so you are wasting your that age that you just pass your time with the friends, you just waste your time, so on watching lots of unproductive movies that cannot give you anything in your life. Few quality movies definitely, but the lots of unproductive content you consume. Why you are not why you are not doing like other youngsters? I was just I was just watching that how they are observing and how they are giving me the answer. You know what they have said? They have said me, sir, I don't have time for that. I have lots of things to do. My dreams are very big. And that answer touched me. You know why? Because I was very sure that they are going for the presentation and definitely they will get the investors. In NIT Jaipur, they got the investment on the same day of 2.5 crore, 2.5 CR. One investor came there, from Jodhpur. They have invested 2.5 CR. Right. And that is a great leadership skill I have seen at the, the student who are 10th, 11th and 12th. They joined their hands to, for presenting their idea for the startup. Trust me, this is what the leadership skill is all about. I have seen the very young age. So as a leader, you should know that what to ignore. That is very, 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 very important. You can see in this picture, what is happening is both the guys are seeing outside the, that jail, right? One guy is just seeing the and one guy is seeing the beautiful picture out there. मैं हमेशा से बोलता हूं कि आप अपनी नजर का इलाज कर सकते हो, बट नजरिए का इलाज आप दुनिया में कभी नहीं कर सकते हो. It is always important to understand that how your belief system is, and your belief system plays a very, very important role. If you seriously want to lead your life like anything, see, when I was at your age, I started my journey when I was 17-year-old. I have taken one franchisee of the company and I started working when I was 17-year-old. I was not spoiling my college hours. What I was doing is I was spending my more time by understanding how the psychology of people works, how the selling works, how the marketing process works. I have taken the franchise of tours and travelism at that time, and at the age of 17, I was exploring the actual market, that how it is behaving. What I can learn from it. Being an engineering student, I have also completed my electrical engineering. I was explaining when I was 17-year-old, and trust me, when I was 20 and a half, I was earning 4 lakh rupees per month when I have completed my engineering college. I have purchased my first car when I was 17, when I was 20 and a half in my 7th semester of my engineering. Maruti Suzuki Swift Desire, worth 7.5 lakh rupees, white color car, VDI model. What I have understood that it is very easy to achieve what you want. That is how I am author of a book called Achieve What You Want. It is very easy to achieve what you want. What important is what you want to see in this life. You want to see the problems? In the corona, in the lockdown, there are lots of problems you might have seen. But if you want to see the solution, then this world is for you. Bad economy is always good news. Many people call me mad on this statement. Bad economy is always good news. You know why? Because in bad economy, lots of people close their mind. They become mental lockdown. And in this time, the people or the individual who can think beyond in this time, the people who can think beyond that limitation, who can think out of the box, they can really lead the life. As simple as that. Being a student, you are competing in this wonderful, you are participating in the wonderful hackathon, Smart India hackathon. That is really good idea, but trust me, how many students they have taken this thing as a priority apart? So you have registered, really great, you are participating here, but there are lots of students they have ignored because they want to be in a comfort zone, and that's how they will always struggle and become average, because they don't want to give that extra efforts. Because in leadership, I believe that I always ask people one very simple question. So, are you enjoying the session? If you want to give me a reply, kindly give me a reply. We had spent 20 minutes around. Are you enjoying my session? Are you able to understand my points? Are you able to connect yourself with mine? Are you able to understand that? And if you are able to understand me, I wish that you give me a reply. Yes, we are able to understand you, sir. I hope so. Connectivity is perfect from your side. I hope so that you are sitting once again with a smile. I hope so you're sitting with the proper postures, like I already said to you. Okay, just a comment like, are you enjoying today's session? And then I'll go, much further, because I want to, give you lots of practical tools and techniques and lots of things through that you can achieve what you want in your life as a student, as a working professional. Might be if you have some idea in your mind, if your dream is to, do what you want to achieve in your life. I'm not able to find the comments here. I wish that student can give me a reply. Right? Please, students. I'm just reponing my, YouTube. I hope so that, yeah. What is the most? Okay. Yes, I think so. People have replied me. Wonderful. Going well. Okay, so now I am able to, of course, speech. Yes, of course, yes. Okay, wonderful. So I don't want to make this session boring session, because I really want you to, get the best out of the session. Now, this is the next slide, which really can shake you up. This next slide, which can really give you a lots of clarification about your life. The next slide about leadership can really give you a clear idea about your future. And that is, you tell me your daily schedule and I will tell you your future. You tell me your daily schedule and I will tell you your future. When somebody asks me, sir, what are the chances that I'll get success in my life? So what are the chances that I'll get really what I want? Sir, what are the chances that I get good marks? What are the chances that I get a good placement? What are the chances that my startup can be more successful, or my business can reach the great heights? I always ask this question, and this is very important, that you tell me your daily schedule and I will tell you your future. है ना? लोग बोलते हैं ना, नाम में क्या रखा है? लोग बोलते हैं, what is there in name? There is lots of things in the name. Exactly with the same. There are lots of things hidden that can give you the idea about your future in your daily schedule. You tell me your daily schedule, I will tell you your future. As simple as that. You need to understand one thing very, very, very clearly, guys. You need to work so good in your habits, in your daily schedule. Then, see, I don't want to give a lecture on how daily schedule important is, how habit makes, great. So I can see Kavira Shri says, believe myself is most powerful tool. Yes, definitely, yes. All okay, wake up, learn, eat, bath, learn, sleep. Okay, wonderful. Great participation from everyone. Really liked your participation, everyone. But, you need to work hard on daily schedule. I'll give you the more detailed idea about this. The reason why people fail to take action for long. Can you tell me? So many people, they want to achieve something in their life. So many people, they want to, get what they want. But the reason why people fail to take action for long. See, speaking is different thing. Taking action is different thing. Once again, speaking is different thing. Taking action is a different thing. What do you think, guys? The reason why people fail to take action for long. Why people are not able to take action? Can you give me the idea? Why action for long? Why they fail? Can you give me a little bit idea about this? The reason why people fail to take action for long. Lots of people ask me, laziness. Lots of people ask me, sir, how did you able to get BMW at the age of 30? I am the youngest BMW owner in training industry, right? I recently got an award as the youngest, most successful CEO in training industry. Lots of people ask me, so why, sir? We have tried our best. We are not able to get the result that what you are getting. How you do it? And I have very great answers to that. That why so many people struggles for so long. Why so many people get nothing in their life after doing lots of lots of things. Why? Because they do not see any results for short term, so they quit. They do not see any result for short term, so they quit. Let example, you have joined the gym with one purpose, that you want to develop your six pack, or you want to develop some good shapes, you want to develop some good physique, you can say. But what happens when you have joined that gym, from the day one you were so excited and you went that gym with a very strong energy, you did all the exercises what trainer said. Next day what happened, you go there with the little bit less energy than yesterday. You tried your best, third day, fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, and then sixth day, when you are again when you are again standing in front of mirror, and when you are saying that, okay, what happened with my body, and you are not seeing the instant results. Your body is still that was earlier. Your body is still like that. And what happened? You feel demotivated. You always feel demotivated. How many people are agreeing on this? Most of the people, they don't take action for so long time. Most of the people, they quit very early because they are not seeing the results in the short term. And that is the biggest practical problem that I have seen by consulting and by counseling 450 plus big corporates, 5 lakh plus people we have trained. I see that people want results in short term, and that is why they are not able to take the actions for the long term, because they always think that they have a lack of patience. They always think that, okay, short term I can get that. Example, for the engineers, what happened is they always read at the last moment, and that's how they think that, okay, I haven't studied well. Okay, now what does difference it makes? It's okay. Now let's study last night and let's try the best. And that's how people struggle and get average numbers throughout the study, because it needs a lots of efforts in terms of everyday effort. And that is why what happens is, in every month of every year of January, or every year of when year starts, the January, maximum people join gym as a resolution. But when you see in February, March, April, the numbers are getting very less. In Surat, there is one of my student who is having very big gym in Surat, having a capacity of around 1,000 people. It's one of the biggest gym. At the one time, 1,000 people can join at the one time, one shot. But what I have seen, they are taking registration of 2,500 to 3,000 people. They are taking registration of 2,500 to 3,000 people. And when I got to know, with so amazing, shocking, definitely expression, I have asked him, this is about before 7 to 8 years. I have asked him, why, like how it is possible? Your capacity is 1,000. Why you are taking 3,000? So he said, Bhavin, don't worry. This is just this short-term motivation. People already paid the 1 year membership. But I know that from the 10-15 days, this is just a trouble for us for 10-15 days. After that, 50% people won't come. And from that other 50% people, from that 50%, remaining 50%, other 50% people, they will quit once again. And after second or third month, you will get only 500 to 600 people. And that is the reality of this, particular fitness industry. It happens everywhere. How many people are agreeing on this? How many people are agreeing on this? Am I right or am I right? Okay, I can see the reply. Khushi is this because they may fail in the beginning. Okay, Kavirasu ji saying I am agree. Sunil ji saying yes sir. So, feel free to reply. Like, guys, I am able to see your reply on YouTube specifically. So because they don't see any results for short term, so they stop doing, or they stop taking actions. So there are two kind of people you will find in the world. Let's call action takers versus excuse makers. There are two kind of people you will always find, that action takers and excuse makers. You need to decide, guys, that you want to become action makers or action takers, you can say, or excuse makers. Giving excuses are always tough. It's not easy. Come on, guys, listen me carefully. Giving excuses is tough. Taking actions is easy. Why you are shocked? You thought this is shocked? No. Making excuses is tough. Taking actions is easy. You know why? Because when you are making excuses, you need to think lots of things. Okay, what I need to say, you need to get remembered. You need to be remembered all the things that what I have said this in the past. The excuse should not be repeated again. You need to hide so many things. So making excuses is tough. Taking actions is very easy. And you can get two things: lose my excuse or lose my result. You cannot get two things together. If you want to lose your results, you can get the results. If you want to lose your results, give excuse to me. And if you seriously want to, get the results, then you need to lose your excuses. It is very, very important that you understand the concept between excuse versus results. You might have seen this movie called The Pursuit of Happiness, one of my favorite movie of Will Smith. I do watch lots of Hollywood movies, and in that, one of the Oscar movie, you can say, The Pursuit of Happiness, one of the finest movie I have seen where leadership is portrayed everywhere. Father is a leader. You being a student is a leader of your college, of your community, for your parents. See, leader is not about you are having cricket team with you, or you are having the company, or you are doing job somewhere with you. You have 5-6 people. No, that is not actually leadership. Leadership can be an individual leadership also. And how many people inspired from that? That makes really sense. If you have seen this movie, The Pursuit of Happiness, you might have seen that this person struggled a lot throughout the journey. This person struggled a lot, but he never quit. He had never quitted, and that is the beauty of this movie. That shows the very important parameter, right? So it is important that how you understand this concept. And if you have seen the movie called Bhag Mikha Bhag, it is a real life story where you can see that how action can give you the amazing results. Being a brand value leader, you can say. So you are what you do, not what you say you will do, right? You are always what you do, not what you say you will do. Means आप वो नहीं है जो आप बोलते हो, आप वो है जो आप करते हो. So if you seriously want to get the good vibes from you, you start doing what you are saying. That is most important, guys. So there are 4 degrees of actions. There are 4 degrees of action. Action के 4 types हैं. 4 types of actions that most of the people are doing, and this is a very interesting subject. सबको मजा आ रहा है? Come on, everyone. People are enjoying. So if you are enjoying, then start commenting. Amazing, energetic, really loving it. I won't take your much time, more than 25 minutes now. So I hope so that you are all aligned with me, because we have completed half an hour. I am 100% sure that you have been with me throughout the journey. Okay, so there's one question. So what to do when I feel that I have to do it, but I don't want to? I have to do it, but I want to. Okay, wonderful. Great question. Definitely. So I will definitely give you answer right now. But till then, how was the session going on? Come on, everybody. Amazing, energetic, super. Are you enjoying session, guys? So I want to hear your answers, guys. Come on. I'm waiting for your answers. I can see very great people who are seeing me live. Come on, everyone, start giving your answers. I think so. I'm getting answers a little bit late. I think so. It's like a live match. So in live match and the actual match, there is always lack of 10-15 seconds. That's what I am feeling here right now. That your answers you are sending on time, but I think so. I am getting 15, 13, 20 seconds later. Yeah. So I am restarting again. So I hope so that I will get a 1 second answer. Okay. Wonderful. Great. Great going, sir. Mayurji is saying, Pooja is saying, motivating. Pooja is saying, Sonaji is saying, wonderful session, motivating, motivating. Wonderful. What about the people? I wish and I request everybody to give you a comment. And don't worry, there is no charges for if you comment here. There is no charges like if one comment 1,000 rupees. It's okay. You can comment here. So Arka ji is saying, what do like? Okay, so I have to do it, but I don't want to do it. See, in life there is one simple concept. In life there is one simple concept. If you want to achieve something in your life that you like the most, you might have or you might need to do the thing which you dislike the most. This is how the simple concept work of success. If you really want to achieve what you like the most of the time you need to do the things which you dislike the most, like waking up early. See, what you like the most is joining the army. What you like the most is might be being a topper of the university. What you like the most is getting the best job of this world. What you dislike the most is waking up early. What you dislike the most is reading habits. What you dislike the most is watching lots of technical videos. That might be disliking factors for you. What you dislike the most to talking to the people. You might be an introvert person, but still you need to do that. The reason being you want to achieve what you like the most, and that is most important thing, guys. That in the life, if you want to achieve something which you like the most, you might be doing many of the things which you dislike the most. I hope so, Akaji. I was able to give you the answer, right? So there are 4 degrees of action. You can see this kind of people around you. There are 4 degrees of action, guys. The first is the no action. There are 4 kind of people you will see. There are 4 kind of actions you can see. The first action, the first part of action is called no action. You might have seen lots of people around you. Karenge marenge bande matram. And they will not do anything. They will get motivated after such kind of speech. Like you are attending this program, I do lots of program with the 500 people, 5,000 people, 50,000 people, 1 lakh people in a stadium, in the big auditoriums. There are lots of people in front of me. I know that there are lots of people in that. They are temporary motivated people. They just want to listen. They don't want to take the action. This kind of people is called a no action people. What do you mean by no action people? They are just like karenge marenge vande matram, but when they go there, they don't feel like to doing anything, and they don't take any action. Kuch nahi karna, wo bhi ek action hai. If you are not doing anything, that is also the type of action. So the first is no action. The second one is reverse action. I have seen lots of people, if somebody is suggesting them something, they always do exact reverse of that. That is called reverse action. And that is why this kind of people, they never get the right direction in their life. They always struggle because they always choose the reverse action. I'm not talking about a unique action. I'm talking about doing exactly opposite what people are doing. This is not called uniqueness. This is called madness. Reason being, that direction is not good. Lots of people have said it. Lots of people told that, okay, this is not the good idea. Let's not execute it. This is the thing. You can go beyond that. You can think beyond this. But this thing we have really tried. We have really expressed. Reverse action. Lots of people are that who always believe in reverse action. And third one is the average action. Many of the people, they take the action which can justify their salaries. You might have seen that many people study like they can just get the passing marks. This is called average action. Many people living their life for becoming the average person because their actions are very much average. What you mean by average? Average means to just survive in the world. That's how they put their action. And the fourth and biggest category is called massive action. Massive action means like this. Nobody believed him that he can break the mountain. It took almost 23 years, right, to break that mountain. That's called massive action. In that story, you can see the consistency. You can see the everything. You can see the massive action that, he had broken all big mountain with the consistent efforts. That's called massive action. In the life, you need to choose that which category you want to be in. No action, average action, reverse action, or a massive action. Because if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. If your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. Because action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. I hope so that both the quotes were able to touch your heart. Action may not always bring happiness, but there is no happiness without action. It is very important in leadership that you need to take a massive action if you want to achieve something in your life. So, do you know who killed many Bahubalis? This is a very interesting question, guys, and I am not going to give you this answer easily. You need to give me the reply. Do you know who killed many Bahubalis? Come on, everyone. Do you know who killed many Bahubalis? Can you give me the idea? Who killed many Bahubalis? I am 100% sure that this question had given you the, might be a good smile in your face, because you might have find something relevant around you. Do you know who killed many Bahubalis? What do you mean by Bahubalis? Bahubali means there are lots of successful people. There were lots of fake successful people. There were lots of lucky people around you who thought that they are so strong, they are Bahubalis. But, they got killed. Killed means they lost their life? No. But they lost whatever they were having. Because of what? Yes, come on, everyone. I want that, maximum people can give me the answer for the same. Okay. Okay. Khushi just given me a few answers. Come on, everybody. I am saying trust. Mayuri is saying trust. Come on, everybody. Just try. Do you know who killed many Bahubalis? Just give and try your best. Come on, everyone. Just try your best. What do you think? Who killed many Bahubalis? Do you know who killed many Bahubalis? Do you seriously want to know? Let me give you the idea. Lack of learning attitude. Lack of learning attitude. Most of people, whenever they attend such kind of webinars and programs, whenever they see someone, they always think that, okay, I know everything, macha. I know everything, buddy. Oh, bro, I know everything. Come on, don't teach me. So my one question to everybody is, if you know everything, then why was struggling? That means there are always scope of improvement. Lots of successful people get killed in their success. Reason being, initially they were having very good learning attitude, but once they have reached, they lost that. And because of that, because of having the lackness in this particular learning attitude, they need to, face that loss. And that is how it is most important thing, that are you able to manage your learning attitude curve? That is very much big connection with leadership skill. And maintaining momentum is the key. You might have seen this guy, Arijit Singh. He is having one of the biggest span of success in the modern singers. Maintaining momentum is the key. He had faced nepotism. He had lost many projects because of the personal, fight with the lots of people. But still, he is there in the market. He is continuously delivering the amazing songs and albums, just because of one reason, that is called, he is not breaking his momentum. He is always there. He's always practicing. He's always giving the best. He is always trying to get the lots of programs. He always trying to be in the market with the great learning attitude. If you guys have seen this guy in any award function, you see that he is very humble. He comes with a very common and casual clothes, no show off, with the very normal, he's a very down to earth person. If you have seen this guy, in any award function. And that is how I always admire South Indian film industry more than Bollywood industry, because you just see their award functions, their film award functions, and our film award functions, Bollywood film award functions. It is much. There's a much difference between them, because I believe that nobody can become hero with show off. But if you have the great learning attitude, if you are having the down to earth nature, if you are having the clear thought process what you want to achieve in your life and what is exactly life, you can get that momentum as easy as possible. Because the people who always want to show off, their focus is always different. Their focus can never be the same. Their focus is very different. And that is how many people struggle in their life by just spending more time on showing off. That's how. So there are two kind of people. They always be in my program. One is informational, second one is transformational. One is informational, second one is transformational. Why informational versus transformational? Leaders are always transformational. Average person, they're always informational. What do you mean by informational? Informational means very simple, guys. They are here to just take the information. They are not going to apply it. They are not going to use it anywhere, because this is just information for them. And few people are here who is listening me, or might be they are listening me after this session, because there's a YouTube video, some link will be there. You can get this, I think so, video. I don't know how a power video system works, but there are lots of people will be getting inspired from this today's session on Lead with Legacy. The people who really want to get transformation in their life, they use today's all the programs content with the precision. And that is the beauty of leadership skills. They are not just the informational takers. They are transformational executors. Right? It is very important. So if you really want to get success in your life, there are 4 parameters very much important if you want to be a legacy leader. Today's topic name is Lead with Legacy. And if you really want to lead your life with a great success and happiness, certainty, focus, consistency, and transformation. These 4 sequence you need to follow. Right? I'm repeating once again. Certainty, focus, consistency, and transformation. What do you mean by certainty? If you meet anyone and if you listen his answers, if you ask some question to that guy, you listen some answers, many of the people you will find that they are not clear what they want in their life. And that is why they are struggling. They actually don't know what they want in their life. But you meet few of people, they are very much certain about what they want in their life. Their purpose is very much clear. Their goal is very much clear. They are very much enthusiastic. They are very much clear what they want in life. And that certainty you can see on them. And that's how you can get the idea that this guy will do something better in their life. There are lots of faculties also here, I think so. They will also listening me. And they will also agree that by seeing the students, you can figure it out that, what will be his future. So that is how it is very much important. Second one is focus. Focus. There are lots of distractions specifically in students' life. I think so. I hope so. Connection is proper there. So, yeah, I hope.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect. So, yeah, I am once again reconnecting myself because I think so. YouTube live people are enjoying here. Negative mindset people. Okay, now I am getting some reply. Wonderful. Dr. Ishan is here. Motivational talk. Arka ji saying lie, themselves, perseverance, negative mindset people. Very good. Very true. So you need to understand that this slide is, the conclusion of today's program. You can say indirectly. This slide is conclusion of today's program. So what should be the mindset when I know why that my goal is very far? That's how, dear Arka ji, you need to cut your goals in a very short span of time. Example, see, everybody is having the different type of goal set, like long vision, short vision. Long vision is always important because that's how you want to achieve in your life. That is your dream. But what can be the goal is, example, let's say you want to get the good job in the good company. So what should be a short goal is, this upcoming exam, you need to perform theoretically and practically both well up to this particular parameter. So you set the parameter and then you try to achieve Try to convert your big goals into short goals. That's how you get motivation. Big or long-term goals can never give you that motivation, right? So trust me, it won't work. Focus. In a student's life, there are lots of distractions. The biggest distraction is relationship. Many people will agree that relationship is the biggest issue. Having a girlfriend, relationship. I think so. Relationship with the parents, that is also biggest challenge. Relationship with the best friends, that can be the biggest challenge. And there are lots of things to get distracted. Bad habits. If you have the friends who are having the bad habits, you always get that distraction. You are not able to focus. And that is how, if you want to achieve what you want, if you really want to lead your life with a legacy, if you seriously want it, when you leave this world, the generation should be telling that I want to become like this guy. And that's how it comes with the very big parameter called focus. Focus. That is very important. Third is consistency. I have already said to you, if you are certain what you want in your life, the second is focus. And the third is maintaining consistency in your actions and focus. Some people, they are focused for some time. Some people, or many of the people, they are focused for some time. There are very few people, they are focused for a very long time. And that is the reason in the whole world, if you see or compare the success ratio, 2% people, whichever the money they are having, it is equivalent to 98% people out there who is having the money. And same with the 98% of this world people, they are having money equal to that 2% of people of money. It's a vice versa. So understand this concept very clearly, that why that only 2% are successful. You go anywhere. The reason being is that certainty what they want, they are so focused and they are so consistent. And when these three parameters comes to a picture, that's called certainty, focus, and consistency, you get what? Transformation. And leadership is all about transforming yourself, transforming your surrounding people. I'll give you a simple example. There are lots of people currently, I felt it really good when somebody asked me, okay, sir, please go with the English. I really felt it happens in Gujarat with very few universities. Specifically, or not even in Gujarat, yeah, come on. If you go out of Gujarat, I deal with lots of people around different states. They prefer Hindi or Gujarat or English mix. But I really like that when you spoke about when some people, I think the two comments I got that, sir, please carry on English language. I felt really good. Wow, that's how But very few people can understand the requirement of the improvement. You might have seen lots of people, they always struggle in speaking English language. Why? Because they are not able to get the focus from the first day of the engineering. From the first day of the engineering, they know that if I want to achieve good job, if I want to start some good business, I should have the good command over English language. Still what they do is, still the 4 year, they never practice it, they never focus it. And when the placements are coming up, they try to learn English language. And that is the biggest issue. Okay, English is common for all among students. Continuous hard work in proper direction. Okay, wonderful. English is the problem for maximum students because they know that from the day one of the college that their English is weak. They need to work hard on this. But still, till the 4th year, then placement is coming. They're listening the announcement of placement. Then they think, okay, this is the still remaining part in me. Now let's learn English in 15 days, 20 days. And that's how they can never get the good job. They need to be satisfied with the small amount of money. And that's how the focus and consistency plays a very big and important role there. From the day one, you know that if you want to achieve good salary in some specific company, they have the requirement like this much percentage you need to maintain, this much extracurricular activity, this much extra things, communication level, presentation skill, negotiation convincing skill. From the day one, most of the people knows that. Still, till 4th year or 3rd year, they are not working hard. There are lots of colleges, they are inviting lots of external faculties. They themselves training students, but what they prefer is mass bunk. What they prefer is not giving the attention to this particular subjects because they feel that this is just a time pass. So trust me, the people who are thinking that this is just a time pass, trust me, your life will become a time pass for you. Because without having a certainty, focus, and consistency, you cannot get the transformation. As simple as that. So this is what the I Am Possible online learning platform. I hope so you have enjoyed our today's program. And we have recently launched on my birthday, my 1st June, when I have completed my 30. So I have recently launched one application that's called I Am Possible online learning platform. You can go to the Play Store and you can download this application. You will get the lots of free content, lots of courses you will get, lots of international certification you will get here in this application. More than 100 plus great courses on English, on public speaking, on presentation skills, on negotiation skills, on personality development, on confidence. Lots of great topics are in the application. I wish that you will go through this application, you will get. So this is what I Am Possible Training Solutions is all about, and feature under India's top 10 company. Lots of corporate programs we do, lots of certification programs we do, guys. Public speaking, train the trainer, leadership development program, selling skills, faculty development program, lots of programs we do. And you can find me on Google. You can just type The Bhavin Shah on Google and you can check that Google page. And Facebook, this is the biggest platform that we can connect. So I hope so that after finishing this program, we will be getting connected on Facebook. You can just type The Bhavin Shah and you will find my page, right? Lots of programs we do, lots of clients we are having already said. And this is the number 9510036189. If you need any help, this is my kind gesture. You can understand that I have helped lots of people in last 13 years. We have a very big team, 60 plus people working with me. So we are not a startup. We are a big organization having a presence in 80 plus countries with the 450 plus big corporate clients. Fortune 500, I'm having 15 clients and I do visit lots of international clients and all. So, this is how I was able to create my own empire at the age of 30. Yes, right now, I already said to you, on a 1st June, I completed my 30. So I was able to achieve this at my age of 30 just because of my consistency and right focus. This is very much important to understand, guys. There are lots of people in your life to distract you from your success. There are very few people who is always there to motivate you. Please use the 3D technique. Disconnect negative people, disconnect poor, thought process people. Detect what are the good thing in you, what are the scope of improvements in you, and third and the most important thing, discover new you. That is how you will be able to achieve what you want. That's how you will be able to create your life as a legacy led, as a leader. Lead with the legacy. That is the most important thing. You always ask this. I have 3 minutes with me. You always ask one question to yourself. What is that one thing that you will do through which you will get remembered till next 100 years? This question changed my life when I was 17-year-old. I was attending same program like you. This question was asked by that speaker. What is that one thing which you will do through which you will be getting remembered at least till next 100 years? I took that question very seriously and I started working hard with the consistency, with the massive action. And today I am here in front of you. So हो रही है पीर पर्वत पिघलनी चाहिए, इस हिमालय से कोई गंगा निकलनी चाहिए. सिर्फ हंगामा खड़ा करना मेरा मकसद नहीं, मेरी कोशिश है कि सूरत बदलनी चाहिए. मेरे सीने में नहीं तो तेरे सीने में सही, हो कहीं भी आग, बस ये आग जलनी चाहिए. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much Parul University once again for inviting me, for giving the wonderful chance for the interaction. And I can see the reply of lots of people. Thank you so much everybody for the replying. And thank you so much for the participating. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for providing this informative session. I hope that all the participants, students, and the people who have attended today's program learned a lot from the session. I'm very much thankful to Parul University for providing such a wonderful online platform to make this talk successful. On behalf of Parul University, I'm very much thankful, sir, for sparing your valuable time. And I'm sure that in future, many more sessions will take place if you wish.
Thank
So
you.
let us end up this session here. And once again, thank you so much for being with us. And one more thing I want to add this, that wish you all the best, all the dear students, for the tomorrow's valedictory function in Smart India Hackathon 2010-2020. You will get all the best. Thank you.